Greetings, YouTube, and I hope you are well. So, all of you may remember over on my Silvertop Flyer channel this video that I shot with my Solo 3DR and my Hero GoPro 4. I'm still amazed at how rock stable this video is. As you can see, I've just lifted off, and for some reason I just got to turn the camera into the sun. I don't know why I like the lens flare so much, but I do. You can see me there at the bottom flying the drone. There was another man at the opposite end of this road that was flying big scale aircraft, so I was kind of having to watch out for him also. This is a ball field, a county park, and you can see people just park and do whatever they want to out there, I guess. I don't know what this couple in the car was doing, but they were up to something. I don't know what. I know what it looks like, but I don't know what they're up to. And right here, I kind of put into loiter mode. I wanted to kind of see how loiter mode works. And you still have control of it, but it slows everything way, way down. I was able to slow my yaw down quite a bit in loiter mode. And see, I come out of loiter mode right here and press on forward and moving around a little bit. I was still unsure about the batteries. The batteries on this Solo, 2 of them are bad, one of them's good. Watch out there for that light post. Greetings, YouTube. I appreciate you watching the video that I had in front of the video you're looking at now. So I figured out how to go over to Silvertop channel and get some of my video, my property, and put it up on another channel. I'm going to continue to do so until I've captured the ones that I want. And I guess that's the only way I really know how to build. I've tried to get it back, and it's an impossible task, and it's not worth the time anymore. It's just not worth it. I'll just start over. I've made a lot of good friends and a lot of good acquaintances, and it's just not worth the time of stressing myself out over it. I'm sorry. Nevertheless, I am going to, what I want to do is, I've realized that the 3DR Solo for me is the cinematic platform that I've been looking for. But what I want to do is I want her to have retracts to be able to lift them legs up out of the way, and also when I go to land, drop the legs down and get the camera up out of the dirt, because I intend on putting an aftermarket gimbal on, lightening up at least 100 grams. That way I can put whatever kind of camera I want to put in it, or put whatever kind of gimbal I want to put on it. Makes a lot of sense. Yes, I still want to fly over to the dark side. I still want to get in a pair of goggles and fly like a madman. It is in my heart and soul, but the cinematic thing for me, that's just where it is for me. Something I want to do. I don't know why. Nevertheless, I wanted to explain a little bit. If you have any good ideas for me, or know somebody that knows how to do the kind of mods I'm talking about, if there's kits out there, let me know. Help me out. I really appreciate it. And this is the Silvertop Flyer, signing out.